Today in AI news, OpenAI just unveiled GPT, which might not sound like a big deal because it's only 0.1 of a version number away from GPT-4. But trust me, this update is anything but minor. The new model boasts a massive 1 million token context window, making it capable of handling extremely long pieces of text. Not only that, but OpenAI claims GPT-4.1 is even better at coding, which was already one of its strongest suits, as well as being better at following instructions. And the cherry on top, GPT-4.1 is also 26% more cost-effective than GPT-4, making it a win-win for both users and OpenAI's. Bottom line, let's dive in. GPT-4.1 comes in 3 different flavors: Standard, Mini, and Nano. They differ primarily in size, with the standard version being the beef. All 3 variants are now available through the API and will be accessible to ChatGPT Plus subscribers within the next week. What's really interesting about this release is that it marks a significant step up from GPT-4 in several key areas. First, let's talk about the context window. If you're not familiar with this term, it basically refers to the amount of text the model can consider at once. With GPT-4, this limit was 32,000 tokens. Now with GPT-4.1, it's been increased to a whopping 1 million tokens. To give you a sense of scale, a typical book is around 250,000 tokens, so GPT-4.1 can now handle 4 books worth of text at once. This is a big deal because it allows the model to remember much more information about the conversation and provide more relevant responses. It also enables entirely new use cases, such as analyzing lengthy documents or summarizing multi-chapter books. Next, OpenAI highlights that GPT-4.1 is an even better programmer than its predecessor. In their blog post, they showcase some impressive examples of GPT-4.1's coding prowess. For instance, the model can now effortlessly create a program that finds and replaces text in thousands of files across multiple directories. It can also debug code written in different languages and explain complex programming concepts in simple terms. What's even more remarkable is that GPT-4.1 can learn from its own previous output, which makes it capable of solving problems that were previously beyond the scope of AI. Another area where GPT-4.1 excels is its ability to follow instructions. OpenAI notes that the model has a better understanding of user requests and can execute them more accurately. For example, when asked to summarize a lengthy customer review into bullet points, GPT-4.1 does an outstanding job. It identifies the key aspects mentioned by the customer and presents them in a clear and concise manner. This improvement is particularly important for businesses that rely on natural language processing, such as customer service, chatbots, or spam filters. Finally, let's discuss the cost-effectiveness aspect of GPT-4.1. According to OpenAI, the new model is 26% more cost-effective than GPT-4, which means you get more performance per dollar spent. This is a significant achievement considering how powerful GPT-4 already is. It reflects OpenAI's ongoing efforts to make AI technology more accessible and affordable for everyone. In conclusion, GPT-4.1 is a substantial upgrade from its predecessor, offering a larger context window, improved coding abilities, better instruction following, and increased cost-effectiveness. These advancements solidify OpenAI's position at the forefront of AI research and development. As the company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with large language models, we can expect even more impressive applications to emerge. However, it's important to note that while GPT-4.1 is a significant leap forward, it still has limitations. For instance, the model may still exhibit biases or generate outputs that are factually incorrect. Moreover, there are concerns about how the increased power of GPT-4.1 could be misused, such as for creating convincing fake news articles or Nonetheless, OpenAI's commitment to responsible AI development is evident in their efforts to mitigate these risks through safety guidelines and ethical considerations. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is crucial for developers and users alike to stay informed about its capabilities and limitations, to harness its power for good while minimizing potential harm. And just a heads up, OpenAI plans to phase out older models like GPT-4 and GPT-4.5 Preview, so GPT-4.1 is here to stay. If you want to learn more about large language models or stay up to date with the latest AI news, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.